Sensibility and practicality define the 2015 Ford F-150. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, and much more. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.